trim function to remove extra space in text. Yes, in this video I will explain you how to use trim function to remove extra space in text. Welcome to excelhub.org, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. So to start with, trim function is a text function in Excel. So this function can be used to eliminate the additional space from a text, and it allows one space to remain between words. So the syntax for this is trim. We have to give the text in which it has to remove the additional space. Let us see that with one example. Here we have the text. This text contains many additional spaces before the word and after this word. Here also there are many spaces between two words. So to remove this additional space and keep only one space, we can use trim function. Yes, now you can see it will eliminate all the spaces before the word starts, and it will allow only one space between the words, and at the end it will remove all the spaces. So that means beginning and in the end it will remove all the spaces, and within the words it will keep one space which is normal. So this is very helpful when you copy a data from website and paste that to Excel sheet. So that data comes with some additional spaces in between, and that will create the problem when you put some formula and you try to match that information by using VLOOKUP and all. So in such case you can remove the additional space in the text by using trim function. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you.